Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday morning. What is it today? July 22nd, I think. And it's about 10, almost 10 a.m. So you should probably see this live about 10:30ish or so. If you follow my notifications and go ahead and jump on and watch. Because every Saturday morning I will do the Saturday shoutouts. I may also start including that on my blog. And then also on my next video, I'm going to go ahead and do a little how-to blog if you're interested in possibly setting up your own blog. So I got started in the blogging and then linking back to those people as well. So be sure to check on all of that. Some really good information if you're interested in learning how to blog and how to blog quickly and potentially going ahead and starting to make money on the blog, which I haven't started making money on it yet because it just rolled out this week. And so I will leave that link down below to my blog. And if you guys want to sign up for freebies, I'll be doing some freebie printables. And then freebie on the printables, my first one's going to be a planner along with a to-do list of how to, well, not really a to-do list, well, combination of both, of how you can start your blog and things to do on social media for your YouTube channel. And not just blogging, but social media overall for YouTube and everything else that you might want to do on social media to help you guys get a plan if you don't already have one, or maybe add to your plan, tweak your plan. Not that mine's the best because it's certainly not. But I've been learning from a lot of people that are really good out there. Kind of like when I choose to read a book, I kind of compare it to that. If I'm going to spend my time reading or spend my time learning to blog, I'm going to try to learn at least from a few of the best out there. So I have done some comparisons on people that teach blogging. And so I will be leaving their links down below soon, not on today's video, but probably on my next video. This weekend I'm working on the calendars and planners to get those up for you guys. And then also, and my first one may not be digital. I've got to see how easy that is for me to do. But I will go ahead and get the planner itself out this weekend potentially is my goal. Of course, life happens, so if something gets in the way of that, I will definitely let you know. But I do plan to have it up by early in the week, like Monday or Tuesday at the very latest. So that is my goal. And I'm a bit repetitive this morning. But anyway, on my blog, if you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and sometimes on the right-hand side as well, I'm trying to figure out how to do all of that stuff too at the same time. I've kind of already learned, but getting it implemented in place and up and running as smooth as you want it to look like, sometimes that doesn't always happen. Then I have to go back and figure out exactly what I did wrong, exactly what to do. And my eyes are so dark underneath them, mainly my allergies. This weather is crazy in Georgia. I was out walking this morning already, and I could barely breathe out there. Not barely breathe, but I was coughing. I was glad nobody was nearby. I do not have this dreaded COVID. Did get tested for that. Do not have it. And so anyway, allergies, asthma, that I have, and I live in Georgia. So there you go. And it's almost the end of July. Can you believe that? Almost the end of July already. What's up with that? All right, so on to my shout outs. Okay, the first one that I have is Jenny T, and she has a very energetic how-to art channel. I think her last little thing was a flip book, and I just love Jenny's energy. Wish I had that kind of energy. And I have a coworker that does. She gets there and she's like ready to go. I don't wake up usually ready to go. A little bit more so than other people in this house, but not as much as I would like. Sorry guys, that was bugging me with that light back there. And so Jenny T, and thank you very much, Jenny. I will leave everybody's links down below. I do 5 shout outs every Saturday morning. And strictly the way that I get these, and this is how I got these, I went to my video list from YouTube, and I went straight down to the first comments and scrolled through. Now, if you've just started coming to my channel, I probably will not go ahead and mention you in a shout out, only because I like to do it for my repeat viewers. And so that's why I do it that way. All right, so we have Jenny T. We have the ukulele bug. She is always, always, always on my comments of my videos, and she'll be the first one to say hey if when I do the sorry, I just lost my train of thought there. When I do the videos, it has a chat on the side, the premiere. Thank you. I haven't hardly had any caffeine this morning. And so working on that. And Red Bull does not give you wings, or I would have them. You see no wings. No wings. And so we have Jenny T, the ukulele bug, all things lolli. Thank you, guys, for showing up to my channel. All things lolli. She has a cooking channel with some very yummy dishes. Oh, ukulele bug. The name's kind of explains it. Go check her out and see. We'll leave it at that. You guys can check her out. A lot of cute videos, really nice videos, not just cute, but nice, awesome, very nice music there. And then we have Yes to Tech. I keep looking in front of me because I have, I'll go and get my links and names and copy paste into an email, send it to myself, and then I'll pull it up that way and just have it on the screen in front of me. So I try not to ramble. I believe it or not, I try not to ramble too much. I'll probably ramble about rambling. And Yes to Tech, a lot of tech videos there. And so thank you for showing up on my channel. And then Lady Red, she does makeup unboxing. I will go ahead and leave her link down below. So check everybody out. Go ahead and drop your link down below. Choose somebody to follow. Follow their playlist. You can help each other's watch times if you do the right click and click on loop, or if you go to the top of their video list and click on loop there, it will loop everybody's playlist down below their channel, not down below mine, but down below theirs. Speaking of down below, you know what's coming there. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you want to hit the unlike like Abigail does, I don't know what's up with her. I think when I call her out, that's not her name, because I wouldn't call her out directly. That's just my fake name for her. Don't ask. But anyway, whenever I called her out last time, she stopped doing the unlike. So if you want to unlike, go for it. Help yourself out. Knock yourself out there. And not literally, but hey. And so, also, too, you can follow me on the Pinterest, Instagram, and I still do Twitter because it helps, actually. Some people have found me on Twitter. I didn't know Twitter was still such a big, huge... Well, I kind of did because, you know, everybody's on Twitter. And I was just looking at the last video of all things lolli. Her peppers look really super yummy good. I may have to make those soon. But thank you everybody for showing up. Like I said, check out my website, and I will leave it down below. For the first 30 days, from like 2 days ago, I issued a 30-day challenge. Let me know if you want to take part in it. And with that 30-day challenge is pretty much anything that you say that you wanted to start that you haven't started, such as doing a blog, doing a YouTube channel. And I'm going to leave some links down, not links down below, but I'm going to leave some links on my can't even talk. Links and videos on my blog. So sign up for the email notification. I promise I won't spam anybody. And check it out, and you can get some freebies that may help you guys out. Let me know if you like them or don't like them, or what you may want to see on there, and I'll try to see if I can figure it out if it's something that I already know. I'll gladly do a little video and leave it. And I'm going to have a members only area, and that is only going to be free for the next 30 days. So go ahead and sign up for you guys, and my original people will get it for 30 days there. And so, you guys make it a great day. Sorry for all the rambling today. Not sure what's up with that. I think I probably ramble more than I think I do. So on that note, I will slide off, and you guys make it a great day. Be nice to everybody that you can be. Go ahead and smile at people. You never know who's, may need your smile. You never know what they're going through. You never know their history. And on that note, too, stay 6 feet away if you can. Wash your hands, of course. And then, sorry, the shadow keeps getting to me there. All right, I'm going to end it here, guys. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you. Bye.